Hi, it's Dr. Gina, Results Queen. Let's talk about making your numbers. At the end of each month, it's really great to go back and look and see what kind of numbers you have, meaning metrics. And there's a lot of different metrics that we can be doing in new business development. How many meetings you have, how many meetings you're converting, how many opportunities, how many proposals you sent out, how many checks you collected. There's different metrics in new business development, and you have to figure out what metrics work best for you. And then you actually have to use them, which means that at the end of each month, it's a really good way of going back and seeing what did you do over the last 30 days to help you figure out what you need to do over the next 30 days. And one of the things that I really love doing is using my calendar to help me do that. So what you might have other accountability systems, and that's fine as long as you have an accountability system that shows you what your metrics were over the last 30 days so that you can plan for the next 30 days. That's all you need. Don't make it complex. You don't have to. Just make it simple enough so that you can see what you've done so that you know where you're going. I'm Dr. Jean, the Results Queen. If you have a question that you want me to talk about or a topic that you want me to discuss, feel free to email me at jean@getmoreresults.com. And if you don't really know what you're doing or you want to have better metrics in terms of new business development, feel free to click on the link in the email or in the caption in order to schedule your free, no obligation coaching session. We'd love to have the conversation with you. So now you know, go out and make sure that you're looking at your metrics for the last 30 days and what you want to do over the next 30 days in order to go get great results in new business development. I'm Dr. Jean, the Results Queen. Go get results.